Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove user account from Windows 11 computer. May come a moment when you need to remove a Microsoft account from your Windows 11 PC, and the reasons for these decisions can vary greatly. Perhaps you are turning over your computer to someone else, consolidating your accounts, or just no longer need to access the specific services on a given device. Then I'll show you on how to remove user account from Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method that we're going to do is to use the Windows settings app. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And then once you open up, and then at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select this accounts and then click, and then on right side, and then you need to scroll down under at account settings, and then you need to select other users and then click. So here in other users, and then you can see now those email address or user account that add to your system. So you can say this other accounts on how to remove. So click this arrow, and then you can see now this remove account data, and then click this remove. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows settings, and the other method that we're going to do is to use a control panel. So all you have to do is to click on a start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel, and then click open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then on top right corner, then you can see this view by, and then we need to modify. So click that arrow, and then you need to select category. And then next step, then you need to select user account and then click. So here in user account, and the next step, then again on right side, then you need to click this user accounts. And then here at user account settings, and on right side again, and then you need to select manage another account and then click. And here again, so choose the user you would like to change or remove. So you can see now this user account that add on my system on how to remove. So select one of this, so select, and then you can see now this make changes to this account, and then you can see this delete account and then click. Alright, so click only this delete account to remove. Alright, so that's it guys on how to remove user account from Windows 11 computer. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.